In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Power BI Service. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space ready for your reports, dashboards, and datasets, and you'll understand what each option means so you can set it up with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to app.powerbi.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Microsoft account. Use the account associated with your organization if you plan to collaborate. That ensures you have access to the right resources and licenses. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Power BI dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation panel. This is where you'll access key areas like Home, Favorites, and Workspaces. Click on Workspaces to open the list of spaces you have access to. At the bottom of this panel, click New Workspace. This opens the setup page where you can define the basics for your new workspace. Type a clear, descriptive name for your workspace. A good naming convention helps everyone find what they need later. For example, include the department, project, or audience in the name. You can also add a description. This is optional, but it's helpful for context. Use this space to explain the purpose of the workspace, what content belongs here, and who it's intended for. Keep it concise and avoid sensitive information. If you have a domain to connect, you can do that here as well. Connecting a domain can help align your workspace with your organization's branding and governance. This step is optional and may depend on what your administrator has enabled, so only connect it if you know it applies to your setup. You can also upload a photo for your workspace. This is a great way to make the workspace recognizable at a glance. Click the upload button, then select an image from your computer. A square logo or icon with good contrast works best, and a small file size will load faster. After selecting your image, you'll see a preview so you can make sure it looks right. When everything looks good, click Apply on the bottom right. Power BI will create the workspace and you'll see it appear in your workspaces list. That's it. Your workspace is now created and ready to use. From here, you can return to this workspace anytime to add reports and dashboards, organize content, and collaborate with your team. Thanks for watching and enjoy building in your new Power BI workspace.